whatever, you gotta hit that train, steal them ECUs like it's business. But one of them motherfuckers going straight in me and Kay's ride. And your paycheck coming straight out of me and Kay's pocket. Let me get him in here.
What up, though, baby?
We moving on this thing, babe.
Alright. Give me a second. Hey, yo, get the fuck out of here, motherfucker. I gotta take this call. Alright, let's do this.
We en route. Gonna be at the train in a few minutes.
Okay, we're going to start the new game show. Going to be one video game in my channel.
Hey, you told her to be careful with them ECUs, right?
Babe, we own this.
Girl, I know you down. Just making sure our friends and associates behind the wheel knows what's up. This some sexy motherfucking shit we all stealing. There's a whole ass supercomputer under the hood, and the one thing you ain't supposed to do with a supercomputer is drop it, shoot it, or anything other than treat it right. Once I get this bitch all hooked up.
Once you get it all hooked up.
You got me. Once my master engineer hooked this bitch up.
That's right.
Alright, gonna be unique, baby. All business, all pleasure. Hey, babe. Do we need to be worried about these motherfucking Merriweather clowns?
Not gonna lie, maybe we do. Got more R&D money than the Army. But that's why they worth robbing. Ain't nobody gonna make an engine faster than these motherfuckers.
Look at this shit. Already on some private military bullshit. Fuck it, you know what? I love this shit. Ain't no different from private anything else. Private property for the taking.
We on the clock though, Kay. In and out. Shit so tight we even got the serial number so we know which crate to bust open.
My girl.
Okay guys, that's why I'm for asking you. I'm going to start the new game show. This is one game show, well, just one video game, but just one. I just said that already. And we're here to wait for the train. Wait for your players team to come. Wait for the train. Let's see.
According to that schedule, the train gonna be here any minute. Should see it coming real easy. There's a road runs right next to the track.
Just 2 players. Alright, two players. Okay, I think that's fine. I'm gonna use it. That's fine. Here it is. Wait for the Merriweather train.
As soon as you get eyes on the train, be looking for them brake units. You take them out, that flips the emergency brake.
Alright, girl, these fools don't stand a chance. You a genius, you know that?
Yeah, but I think we got a helicopter this time. Isn't it? Yeah, there's helicopter. I saw the helicopter. Destroy the train brake. Dude, the train's coming. We gotta destroy it quickly. Let's start the rockets. Let's do put on the mask. There we go. Ready? Shoot. Quick, we gotta catch the train. Let's go. Let's catch the train. Dude, the helicopter. They're shooting me. Dude, how to stop the train? How to stop the train, man? Let's try pistol 50 count. Let me stop. Almost destroyed it. Almost. They keep going. We need to catch the train. Almost there. I almost stuck the train. Almost. I got him. Let me shoot one more. Let's try this one. I'm getting killed. I'm getting died. Stop that train. You better stop. It's getting in the way. Oh my god. I got it. Let's do the other side. Okay, I just used the other side. Come on, player, we gotta catch a train. Ow! Oh! The hell? Let's do the last one. My God, that train's too fast. Oh my God, what the hell, train? It's stopping now in 10 seconds. I finally got him.
Hey, as soon as it stops, get on there.
Yes.
Check the containers.
Ow, 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 ow.
Okay, I'm gonna
I hurt. I hurt, man. I hurt.
Just gotta find the crate that matches.
Shoot this one. They keep shooting me. What the hell? My God.
They gonna have more fools coming now you stop the train. Don't let them get the jump on y'all.
Alright, let's get to it. We need to keep going. Come on, Dave, let's go. Alright. I'm not in here. Not here. Let's try the other one. Yep, they keep shooting me. Yeah, they keep shooting me. I have to be quick.
Hey, look, we ain't got no time for no itty bitty mighty mo bullshit, y'all. Check the serial number.
Ah, there he is. Is it? Let me look. No. Let me just keep looking. Shoot this. Let me have enough of this stupid helicopter. Then let me just shoot. Maybe I can. Yo, man, be very careful. Oh, she got it?
Hey, what the fuck? You hit her? They got another jump coming in?
Stay
Not.
cool, baby girl.
What?
Out there we can't have.
Are you kidding me? More helicopter? Are you kidding me? I do never seen it. And I already got him. Ha! I finally got him now. Bam! Dude! The hell?
Y'all ain't wasting
I'm
no
getting
time.
died.
We know which crates to look in. Check this serial
More helicopter. Let me look. Let me look. Ah, hell no. I already just killed him already. Which one to pick? I'm gonna die, man. I'm gonna die. My God. I have to cover this one. Let me just go using my car. Let me go back. I'm getting die, man. I'm getting die. Thank God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let me park here. Let me go ahead and get body armor. No, I can't. Ow! No! Ha ha ha! Covered with destroying car. Good. My God! I'm getting died.
You gotta win getaway mode, y'all. Over to you, Kay.
Okay, guys, that should be all. We just got still both. And this time we gotta get out of here. Actually, let's keep away from the helicopters this time. Let's keep away from helicopters. We have 2 helicopters. Now I have to keep away. Let's go. Deliver it. You keep shooting me. What the hell?
You gonna hook this shit up tonight, right, girl?
Right after I bounce on that mustache.
Ah, you missed.
Yeah, you a bad bitch.
Quick, man. You better get guy yourself. Go get guy. You're supposed to keep going. Thank God. Is he gonna kill me? I don't think so. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in thanks for watching. Peace out.